How to stop LG TV from turning itself off. First of all, you want to get your LG TV remote control, then press the settings button, or however which way you want to get to the settings menu like this. Then you want to use the downwards button to get all the way down until you see sleep timer. Then you want to press the middle OK button on that. There you'll want to press the right hand side button to go all the way along until it gets to off. There you'll want to press OK. Then that should have the sleep timer as off, so that means your TV will not turn off like that. You can also do this by pressing that menu button there, going along the right hand side until you get to clock. Click OK on that. Then you want to go to sleep timer, click OK on that. Then there again, you can just turn it off. So that means they set the TV to turn off after a certain amount of time will be off. So that means it will stay on. So there's two ways of doing it there. Hopefully that helped you. Leave a like on the video if it helped, and subscribe for more helpful videos.